Welcome back. In today's video we will be fixing an inverter DC welding machine 160 amp, which happened I already took it apart. Okay, and this is the motherboard. Over here we have the entry of the electricity, which is an alternative current. I already changed here the resistor. I checked this relay, which is 120 volt, which work properly. Okay, we have here another relay which is also working, and we will check also the current bridge rectifier to see if it's working. So let's start. So we have plus here, minus here. So for the current bridge rectifier, we'll have, this is the plus, this is the minus, okay? And here we have the alternative current. So we get AC over here and we get DC over here, okay? So in order to check this, what you need to do obviously is to put the minus and the plus, okay? And when you test it, it should give you over here between 400 and 600. Okay, so let's give it a try. So here we have 593, and here we have 600. So this is good. So now we will put the plus and the minus of the bridge rectifier, and we will test again. So here it's 600, and here it's 611. So obviously we don't have a problem over here. Okay, now we'll check the relay to see if it's working properly. Okay, I'm gonna apply a 12 volt because this is the entrance of the solenoid, which activate the current over here. Okay, I will put it aside to show you again. So the white thing over here, it's a solenoid which give access to electricity. Okay, whenever you try to weld something, let's give it a try and see if it's working. For this I'm gonna use a 12 volt battery. Okay, it's up to 18 volt over here, so 12 volt will also do the job. Let me connect it. We'll use elastic so I don't have to weld it or do anything with it, so we're good to go. So I'll put the plus to the plus here and the minus to the minus here and the plus to the plus. Okay, let's give it a try now to see if it's working. So if I try to put it a little bit further to see it correct, when I apply 12 volt to the solenoid over here in the relay, you see it's working. So after testing the resistor, I saw that it's blown up. I changed it. So I check it right now here. The relay, it's working fine. Okay, and when I also checked these two cable, which is AC cable, AC electricity getting inside, I see that it's get here over the bridge rectifier and it's distributed correctly. So most probably we are facing a problem with one of the MOSFET, or probably also one of these bridge rectifier, okay, which have the same shape as the MOSFET. Okay, after inspection, I see clearly that there is an exploded, I don't know if you can see it over there. So this one is already destroyed, it needs to be replaced. I will remove it and see what else I have to do after that. So we are done with this, obviously. To the side, we remove the battery. These for now we don't need it, so let's keep it aside to keep our table clean. And we will need to remove this. I'll try to show you. It's exploded. You can see it here. And of course, if this is exploded, obviously there is a short circuit somewhere, so we need also to test it before putting it in the electricity. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, don't do it. Just consult someone who's more comfortable with electronics, okay? Because this is 230 volt, and any mistake you make, it can turn out very, very bad. So we don't want that to happen. Okay, so let's put this in correct position. And let's get to work. So now it's time to take it off. After cleaning this a little bit, we can see what else we have to remove, because obviously it's a very old machine and you cannot always see everything you want to see. I'm guessing, how would we read this? Probably it's not that easy. Let's give it a try. It's very hard to read. Same thing. It's very hard to read. Fuck. So, as I can see here, we are speaking about the voltage regulator, VIP 20 ampere, V3. Okay, yes, it's 20A VIP V3 voltage regulator. This is when this kind of babies come very handy. Okay, let's go back to work now. We're done. Okay, we're done with this. And we brought a similar voltage regulator. This one is 50 amp, okay, and should do the work. Because I don't have any aspirator, we need also this for security, a fan, because you don't want to inhale the soldering iron smoke. Let's plug it in. And let's get back to business. So, in order to replace this part, which is a voltage regulator, you can see here it has 5 legs. Okay, we need the part that we will replace, the plan, which I write down before removing it, in order to remember, because I have a very good memory. Okay, of course, soldering remover, and finally the soldering iron. قلم رموه. Okay, once we clean this, all we need to do to replace the part.